Hey guys, welcome back to another one. We are back at it again with the white kicks. We are back at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida, and we are here to clean up and do everything that we missed. But right now we're sitting in the hippopotamus exhibit, and I'll tell you what, these things are incredible. Check this guy out right here. I can't get over how big and massive this park is, and they keep it so clean. It's like they took a regular sized zoo and a regular sized theme park and just bunched them into one, and it's just double the size of anything I've ever been to. It's very easy to get lost in this park. Been here for 2 days already and I still don't know where I'm going. And yes, you already know we're already hungry, so this is what we'll be eating today. It is including in our all-day dining deal, which for us, it is definitely worth it because we put down some food. Oh, check this place out. They have a whole stage. And to the left of that, you have your dining entrance. And then here they have all kind of stuff. They have a chicken section, burger section, an Asian wok section, and then your beer and sodas. They also have pizzas. And they got everything for everybody in here. Was that meal good? Absolutely not. Do I care? Absolutely not. Because with that dining deal, we get to eat every 90 minutes. And it doesn't really matter if you like it. I mean, you can eat it, and if you don't like it, you just get something else in the next 90 minutes. Now, it makes sense for us because we're a family of 5 and we eat a lot. If you were to come alone, I think you should just not buy it and just eat what you want. We ride Montu. So Montu was phenomenal. That ride is amazing. It's very comparable to Batman at Six Flags over Georgia, but in my opinion, it's much better, it's much faster, and it's much longer. I really like that the park doesn't close till 10 o'clock tonight because, I mean, any theme park at nighttime is just a whole different experience on its own, so I'm really thankful for that. But you're starting to not be able to see me anymore, so I think I'm gonna call it at that. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, remember, like, subscribe, share, ring that bell, and don't you forget, I know Kung Fu.